What if there was a book that answered every question you've ever had about life? Imagine a book that holds answers to the deepest questions in your heart. Not just a book for your time, one place, or one group of people, but for everyone, everywhere, and forever. That's the Quran. It's more than a religious textbook that tells you you can do this and you can't do that. It's a guide for your soul, your mind, and your body. It's a compass for life, offering wisdom for personal struggles, relationships, work, and even caring for the world around you. Allah Himself describes it. This is the book about which there is no doubt, a guidance for those mindful of Allah. Its universality speaks to anyone and everyone, no matter your age, culture, or background. It invites you to think about the world around you, to reflect on your purpose, and to connect deeply with your Creator. Now pause for a moment. Ask yourself, have you ever looked up at the stars and wondered why they shine so brilliantly? Or felt your heart beating and marveled at how it works tirelessly without you even thinking about it? These aren't just random events. Quran calls them signs, signs that point to something far greater than ourselves. Allah says, "Indeed, in the creation of the heavens and the earth and the alternation of the day and night, there are signs for people of reason." Think about the stars for a moment. Billions of them, scattered across an endless sky, burning perfectly, held in place by laws we can barely comprehend. Could this precision and beauty happen by chance or evolution, without being monitored or controlled by some super being? Quran invites us to see the controller, the monitor, the designer behind this marvelous design. And your heart, it's a miracle too. Every day it beats around 115,000 times, pumping about 2,000 gallons of blood into every corner of your body. You don't control it. Don't even think about it. Just works, silently reminding you of Allah's power and care. The Quran says, "And there are signs within yourselves. Can you not see?" Now here's the big question. What does it mean to live a meaningful life? Most people chase wealth, success, or temporary happiness, but when they achieve those things, they still feel empty. Why? If this weren't true, why do so many billionaires, people who have it all, struggle with peace, see therapists, or have trouble sleeping at night? The Quran answers, "And I did not create the jinn and mankind except to worship me." Worship doesn't just mean praying or fasting. It means living with purpose, gratitude, and humility. When you care for your family, that's worship. When you smile at someone, that's worship. When you work honestly or protect the environment, that's worship too. When you pray or fast, that's worship too. No doubt about it, this mindset changes everything. It turns everyday tasks into acts of devotion, bringing meaning to even the simplest moments. Why do the stars shine? To light the night, guide travelers, and inspire awe. They remind us of Allah's vastness and power. How does the heart beat? By Allah's command. It whispers a constant truth. You're not in control. The one who gave you life is. What's a meaningful life? A life lived for Allah. A life of faith, gratitude, and kindness. Life where every moment brings you closer to Him. The Quran doesn't just give answers. It invites you to reflect, to ask deeper questions. Am I living with purpose or just going through the motions? Is my life bringing me closer to Allah? What will I take with me when this life is over? Allah says, "Indeed, this Quran guides to that which is most just and right, and gives good tidings to the believers who do righteous deeds, that they will have a great reward." So open the Quran, reflect on its verses, Let its wisdom guide your heart and mind. By finding answers to the questions we've been trained to ignore, we can finally find peace in our lives.